What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 2:17 a.m. on Friday the 24th of November, and yeah, this video is going to be quite quick. It's very late right now, and today was Thanksgiving, as I explained in yesterday's video, so we had quite a lot of consolidation. But let me just mark out today's price action for us, which was Thursday from there until here. And you can see how we did, just as expected, have quite a consolidated day. We didn't really range very much. And you'll see how we traded right up to that area I had marked out on the 15-minute. The reason I had this marked out was because there was a bearish order block, and I was stating how I want to see this bearish order block provide resistance. And so long as that provides resistance, I want to see lower prices on dollar. Now, although we traded up to it at 115 with one massive wick, taking out buy stops here, although we wicked up to it and traded away from it, we need to obviously see if it can continue to provide that resistance and see if we can push down into that sell side liquidity and potentially run into that weekly fair value gap tomorrow in the Friday. Now, I am expecting expansion on Friday purely because of the holiday we had Thursday, sorry, and then because of the news release we have tomorrow. Also, there's a lot of things going on around the world which is causing a lot of tension, I believe, which again makes the markets quite hard, much more fickle and difficult to understand. And on top of that, we are running into December, which means we're coming up to that holiday period, which isn't ideal. So these are all things we need to take into consideration. But if we look at the 4 hour, you can see these candles look absolutely disgusting to me. Well, this one more specifically, but you can see how we just ranged up and we're continuing to see resistance shown. But yeah, overall, I'd like to think that we can expand lower in the new day, so long as this area continues to provide resistance. So let's go straight over to GBP, and you'll see that GBP did actually manage to take out its buy side liquidity that I spoke about yesterday. Now, it's interesting because as GBP took out its buy side liquidity, DXY failed to take out its sell side liquidity, like completely failed. It didn't even try it. It didn't even try to, which is quite interesting. But so that means there's obviously some kind of accumulation or distribution going on in GBP right now. So you can see we traded much higher, aggressively running into that buy side, and now we're having a reaction. You can see we're starting to flutter lower. But yeah, again, same thing as dollar. Just if this continues to provide support here, then I'd expect higher GBP again. But the fact that we took out this buy side liquidity, basically both sides of the markets have now been tagged. So on Wednesday we took out sell side liquidity, and today we've just took out buy side liquidity. So obviously what will likely happen is we'll get a return to equilibrium, which I'll just mark out for us now, which is actually this bullish order block here, and then price is either going to expand higher or lower. Now again, obviously it depends on what dollar's doing, but at least we know that we can anticipate this return to equilibrium where we will likely get a reaction. And like I said, the expansion that we're expecting on the Friday will be able to be triggered after we hit equilibrium. So that's going to be everything on GBP. Euro, not really much. We traded higher, took out this high, and you can see we traded close down to this 15-minute breaker. We didn't actually touch it, so price may want to touch it now, take out those stops, and potentially move higher off of that. But again, same thing, so long as this provides support, I'm expecting higher euro as well. So again, so really nothing much has changed at all. I think we can anticipate this low getting taken on euro, but we can wait and see. And then we'll just have to see what happens with the news releases tomorrow. Personally, I'm staying completely out of the charts because this is probably the most fickle price action I've seen in a long time. And because of that, I don't really want to get involved. But that's going to be everything, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you on Sunday. Peace.